What filters to use for Antarctic photography? If you are curious about the best filters to use for Antarctic photography, you are in the right place. The polar regions present unique challenges and opportunities for photographers. The bright, reflective surfaces of snow and ice can make capturing stunning images a bit tricky. So, what filters should you consider? First up is the polarizing filter. This filter is a must-have for Antarctic photography. It reduces glare from the intense sunlight, reflecting off snow, ice, and water. This means you can capture clearer images without distractions from bright reflections. Additionally, a polarizing filter enhances color saturation, making the blues of the sky and ice pop. It also sharpens distant details like icebergs and mountains, giving your photos that extra wow factor. However, keep in mind that this filter reduces light by about 2 stops. This can be manageable for landscapes, but it may require caution when photographing wildlife in lower light conditions. Next, we have the ultraviolet filter. While it does not significantly change the image, its primary role is to protect your lens. The harsh Antarctic environment can be tough on equipment, and a UV filter can guard against scratches, moisture, and cold. This added layer of protection can be a lifesaver during your photography adventures. You might wonder about graduated neutral density filters. These are commonly used in landscape photography to balance bright skies with darker land. However, in Antarctica, both the sky and land are often bright during the summer months. This makes graduated neutral density filters less useful in this specific environment. Neutral density filters can also be beneficial. They reduce the amount of light entering the lens, which is helpful for capturing long exposures of moving elements like clouds or water. However, their use really depends on your creative intent and the lighting conditions. In practical terms, for Antarctic photography, using a polarizing filter can help manage extreme brightness and glare. It also improves color contrast and reduces haze, making your images more striking. The ultraviolet filter serves as a protective measure for your lens, ensuring it withstands the harsh conditions. Graduated neutral density filters are generally not necessary due to the bright environment. Neutral density filters can be used selectively for long exposures, if that fits your vision. When using these filters, practice is essential. The effect of polarizing filters depends on the angle of the sun and can darken your images. Wildlife photographers should be especially mindful of the light loss caused by polarizers, as animals often requiring faster shutter speeds for clear shots. In the context of polar regions culture, these filters help capture the unique light conditions of Antarctica. The snow and ice create challenging yet rewarding photographic opportunities. They reveal the vibrant colors and subtle contrasts that define this stunning environment, contributing to the artistic and documentary value of your images. So, gear up and get ready to capture the beauty of the Antarctic with the right filters in hand.